southeastern Chattahoochee County in west central Georgia, southwestern Talbot County in west central Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Highland Park, or over Columbus, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Fort Benning, Eupatoy, St. Mary's Hills, Edgewood, Highland Park, Sand Hill, Juniper, Vista Terrace, Box Springs, Kenwood, Eelwick West Fort Benning, Benning Hills, Avondale, Benning Park and Carter Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest